Hi everybody. I am in a place called Grand Turk, which is an island in the Turks and Caicos, which is in the British West Indies. And I have with me here a glass of ice, just ice, not water. And we're going to see what happens when we set it down over here on this table. So there's my family eating breakfast. And we're going to step over here, and we have a plain glass table here where we have lunch. And I'm going to set my cup right down on the glass. And since we know about the water cycle, we can start to imagine right away what's going to happen with this glass of water, or ice, not water. I should tell you that it's about 85 degrees here. And so I think you're going to see that the ice starts to melt in the bottom of the cup. That's no surprise to anyone. I'm going to pause the video for just a couple of minutes, and then I'll start it up again so you can see what happens in about a minute. Okay, so I actually let about 3 minutes pass, and I'm going to put my finger up here. You can see as I move the ice around that a lot of it has melted in the bottom, and you can see something else as I turn the glass around. You can see that there is moisture, and you see the moisture, and it can drip down the side when the droplets get large enough. And I think you guys may have experienced that if you've been drinking like a glass of lemonade or something outside in the summer. So the first question is, where does this moisture come from? Does it come from the ice inside the glass? Or if not, then where else does it come from? But now I want to show you something pretty cool. I'm going to take the glass and move it. And you can see that there's a little bit of water right there on the surface. I'm going to wipe it away. And we see that there's still moisture there. And if I take my finger underneath the table, right, so my finger's underneath, I can actually make a line through it. So the question is, how did the water get on the bottom of the table, on the underside? I'm going to let us talk about it and see what we can figure out. It's a strange little ice water lesson, but yeah, so let's see what we think.